Okay.
So, hi guys, how are you doing? How's the day today?
Good.
Good? So, what did you guys do since morning today?
We researched about telescope.
You researched?
Yes.
Man!
Where did you research? You guys have even capability of researching?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
What did you do about telescope?
I typed down the thing while he read it out.
Oh, he read it out. Okay. So, why don't we do one thing? Right? So, here are the judges. Judges are big researchers from big companies. This person is from Microsoft and this judge is from Happiest Minds. Okay? So, you got some eminent panel of judges. What they're going to do today is to tell three things to you guys at the end of it. Right? You guys are not in competition. You guys are one team. You remember? Right? So it's not some, who's going to be better than whom and all that.
It's either you both are going to make it or
Both of you, so the
or
punishment for this is, so the reward for this is that you will be allowed to live. Okay? If you guys fail the test, there's one big bell will push you down. Okay?
and then you have to stay there for 30 days.
You have to stay there for 30 days eating frogs. Okay? So
Only spinach or frog.
Do you have any last thoughts before you start?
So guys, so what the judges will be judging you on is one, the quality of the research, what you guys have done about it. Okay. Second is the structure of the writing, how much you've written and how well you've written. You've thought through the entire thing, right? That. And the third is how well you talk, right? The judges. So first you will read the entire paragraph, and then Samay you will read the entire paragraph, or whichever way, right? And at the end of it, the judges will give their opinion, right? You understand? You know the punishment for not doing it well, right? And you know the reward. You'll live
with the frogs.
Okay, guys. So have fun, and Samay, get on stage. Samay gets first, and then you finish first.
Good morning. I am Dhruv and I am Samay. We both are going to give you a speech about telescopes. We are going to tell about the history, the types, and the impact of telescopes. History. The first known telescope was invented by Hans Lippershey. Galileo was in Venice when he heard about the Dutch perspective glass or the telescope in 1609. The perspective glass made objects appear nearer and larger. Galileo states that he solved the problem of the construction of a telescope the first night he returned from Venice and made his first telescope by fitting a convex lens in one extremity of a leaded tube and a concave lens in the other one. A few days afterwards, after having succeeded in making a better telescope than the other one, his salary was doubled. Over to Dhruv for the types. There are many types. There are many types of telescopes, mainly the aerial telescopes, reflecting telescopes, refracting telescopes, and radio telescopes. Under radio telescopes, there are infrared telescopes, ultraviolet telescopes, and visible light telescopes. The three other types of telescopes are X-ray telescopes, gamma ray telescopes, and the interferometric telescope. The most famous telescope is the Hubble telescope, which is now in space and has given us a lot of valuable information. Now someone is going to tell us about the impact of telescope and how it has eased our lives and given us a lot of valuable information. With Galileo's last instrument, which he discovered in 1610, he discovered the satellites of Jupiter and soon afterwards the spots on the sun, the phases of Venus, and the hills and valleys on the moon. In this last achievement, he now appears to have been preceded by Thomas Harriot, who made the first drawings of the moon with the aid of the telescope in 1609. In the last 200 years, we have used the telescope on many occasions and it has come to a lot of use. We have discovered many heavenly bodies like planets, stars, nebulas, galaxies, etc. with the help of the telescope. Recently, we have proved that there is no other place in the solar system which has life. And the so-called footprints in Mars was actually a meteor crash. The impact of all telescopes is that we have learned about things we can't see from Earth. Thank you.
Excellent, guys. That was a very good presentation. Now, you guys can go sit here, relax a bit. Maybe this is your last 5 minutes of life because you know what's happening after that if you don't pass the test. The judges are really serious people, okay? So they have very strict standards and they've seen millions of children presenting. So on to the judges, Salil and Irene.
How did you go about doing your research today, Bonnie?
We went to various websites and we took a lot of time researching and cutting and copying into Word.
And then what did you do?
We then formatted the paragraph we had typed and yeah.
Okay.
What was the most fun part of this exercise?
Practicing,
And what was the least fun?
going to the websites.
Yeah.
What did you learn? What was the biggest surprise about telescope that you didn't know?
That it was the first telescope was actually invented by Hans Lippershey, not Galileo.
Yeah, I never heard of it.
All right, guys, that's very insightful.
You
So.
think that you would have, if you were the judges, would you have passed you guys or failed
Obviously,
you
you would
guys?
have
or
passed
what?
with 100 marks.
Out of 1,000?
Out of 1,000, we would have got 2,000.
Okay, now judges have to give their opinion. On to the judge number 1, Salil.
Okay, I think I will give them 2,000 out of 1,000. It's a great job, guys, done by you guys. Very good, very proud of you. You should now, next round for you will be, but just that this means that you will actually be going to the next round. That means next week there will be more tougher things that you will have to deal with. And if you don't do it, then you will be put under the next tough, the big well where actually Rakshasas live.
Good, great job done. You have put in a lot of effort. Good job, guys. I agree. You have passed this round well, and all the best for the next round.
Thank you
Good
very
job.
much. All the best. Thank you. Have a great fun, guys.